You are looking at a subject matter expert transcript to social asset generator. And what this will do is take a transcript in a LinkedIn profile, and it will generate some social media copy that you can use to distribute that thought leader's conversations or insights. So for instance, if we take a transcript here, then we'll just pop over to LinkedIn and grab the URL of our speaker. In this case, it would be me. Grab that URL. Right, and we will submit. Now, in just a few minutes, we will have a LinkedIn post, a Facebook post, a tweet, and a YouTube description in case this was a video that we want to put onto YouTube for hosting and then put it on our site or anywhere else. We can quickly have the copy that we need to get all of this distributional asset from social media copy done at the first draft level. And that way we can really push through all of the content that we're getting from those transcripts and those insights that we're getting from our subject matter experts. And just like that, right here on page, we have a LinkedIn post, Facebook post, a tweet, and a YouTube description that we can quickly polish up so that we can get this content out there and get those conversations out there on all of these social media channels and really start to help our thought leaders get their insights out into the world.